Okay, let's talk about dimensional analysis. This is where you're going to convert some dimension to another dimension so that you can solve a problem. So the mass, it's asking for the mass of 39 mLs of bromine or milliliters. And it tells us that density is this in grams to milliliters. So here's how this works. We're going to write down what we do have, 39, and you always want to write down the measure because you need these measures to make this job easier. Now you're going to multiply that by this conversion. So it says the density is 2.928 grams per milliliter. Let's multiply that by, make this a fraction. So 2.928 grams per means for each 1 milliliter. Okay. Now I've written it as a fraction because, you know, things that are on the top and bottom can cancel out. So essentially, I'm going to cancel out the mLs, the milliliters there, right? And all that's left is grams. So in this case, I'm just going to multiply across the top because that's all that's left. I mean, it's divided by 1, which doesn't change anything. 39 times 2.928 is 114.192. And that is grams. And it doesn't tell us how to round, so I'm going to leave it just like that. If you rounded to the 10th place, you'd have 114.2 grams. But I'm going to leave it like that. So that's it. That's the dimensional analysis that you would do here to get the amount in grams. I hope that's helpful. I'll see you.